everybody, Jeff Hunter here. Today I'm here to show you my 5 top favorite brand new features found on the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss that we weren't able to get in our 2018 Silverado model. So come along with me and let's go have a look. All right, being as we're looking at the Trail Boss edition, I'd be remiss if I didn't start number 1 off by being the 2-inch factory suspension lift. This is not a level it kit, people. This is an actual suspension lift straight from the factory. Not only that, but it's sitting on those beautiful 18-inch Duratrack sneakers down below. Obviously, the idea behind the 2-inch factory lift, number 1, obviously, let's look at it. This thing looks mean. Not only that, but of course, you're going to get more ground clearance, right? For those of us who do want to go off-road, we have the skid plates underneath, and now we have the ground clearance to go with it. All right, number 2 is going to be this feature right here. The power tailgate. How sweet is that? Not only are you able to do it with this, you can also do it from the button in the back. But that being said, this is also super light. Look at this, 2 fingers. Aluminum tailgate. So easy to lift up as well. Already back here anyways, let's talk about number 3, the new box. What do you mean new box? Well, this box is now 7 inches wider. They cut it in on either side about 3.5 inches. This is going to give our 5'8" box, which we're looking at right now in our crew cab, more cargo volume than some of our competitors' 6.5-foot box. That speaks volumes. Not to mention there's some new location for our LED lights, and we finally have a power outlet back here. Number 4, this is something we've been waiting for a while. It's a little bit long overdue, but finally, the keyless entry. We could just press this button, let ourselves in as long as the key's in our pocket. Alongside of this right here, we finally now again have the push button start as well. And finally, for number 5, we're going underneath the hood for the brand new 5.3-liter dynamic fuel management motor. What does that mean? Well, we used to have a motor called the 5.3 active fuel management, which would draw from 8 cylinders to 4. A great idea, helping the fuel efficiency. However, we've gone a step further. GM's gone a step further with the dynamic fuel management motor. What that means is you can run on anywhere from 1 to 8 cylinders accordingly, the truck being smart enough to recognize how much power we need, and it only uses that amount of cylinders to help obviously aid in the fuel efficiency. That is also mated with the 8-speed transmission. Not only that, we've also added the amazing auto stop-start technology, which will shut the motor off if you're at a traffic light not using the power. As an aside, however, yes, you can turn that feature off if you don't like it. Well, thanks so much, everybody, for watching my top 5 features found on the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. As always, if I could ever be of assistance, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me. Take care.